something about riding with no destination, no timetable, no route, no pressure to be anywhere. Today's one of those rides. I live with a full tank, an empty plan, and just enough curiosity to see where the road takes me. That's the thing with a bike, you don't always need to go. Sometimes the ride itself is enough. The road's quiet this morning. I like it that way. The kind of quiet where you actually hear the engine. Every roundabout becomes a coin toss. Left, right, straight on. It doesn't really matter. I think that's why rides like this stay with you longer than the planned ones. No checklist, no rushing to the next viewpoint, just moving through the day at your own pace. No big destination, no dramatic ending, just a good ride, leading to a quiet coffee by the sea. Sometimes that's exactly what you need. No particular place to go, and somehow ending up in the right place anyway.
Sometimes I wonder if the cameras are working. Sometimes I wonder if they're not. But we'll see.
I know where I'm going now, and it includes a nice coffee. And eventually, almost by accident, I end up at Almadrava Beach. Not a bad place to stop. Park the bike, kill the engine, and suddenly everything goes quiet. You can hear just the sea, a few people walking along the sand, coffee cups clinking somewhere. And honestly, this is the perfect trip.